In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Gemini not working. If Gemini isn't loading, keeps spinning, or throws errors, a quick cleanup in your browser settings often does the trick. I'll walk you through it in a simple, clear way, and we'll finish by checking your extensions since they can sometimes interfere. Start by opening your web browser. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. On the left side, go to Privacy and Security. In this section, click Third-Party Cookies. Don't worry, we're not changing your cookie preferences. We're heading here because it links to the place where we can manage stored site data. Now find and click the option labeled See All Site Data and Permissions. This page lists the data saved by sites you've visited. At the top, use the search bar and type Gemini. You might notice that Gemini doesn't appear directly by name, and that's normal. Instead, look for the Google entry in the results. Expand the Google section so you can see more detailed items beneath it. In that expanded view, locate the Gemini entry and open it. Once you're in the Gemini-specific data, clear the cache or stored data for that entry. The wording may say clear data, delete data, or remove. Confirm the action when prompted. Clearing this site data removes old cached files and cookies just for Gemini, which often resolves loading or sign-in glitches without touching your other sites. Keep in mind, you may need to sign back into Gemini afterward, which is expected. After you've cleared the data, let's quickly check extensions. Still within Settings, look at the left side and click Extensions. This opens the list of everything running in your browser. Temporarily disable any active extensions by toggling them off. This is especially helpful if you use tools that block ads, scripts, or manage privacy, because they can sometimes block essential parts of Gemini without you realizing. Disabling them here is safe and reversible, and it helps you pinpoint whether an extension was the cause. With extensions turned off, open a new tab and try visiting Gemini again. Give the page a fresh load and see if it behaves normally. If everything works, you can return to the extensions page later and re-enable them one by one to identify any specific conflict. If it's still not working, at least you've ruled out cached data and extensions, which are the most common culprits. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and you should have Gemini up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.